In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. Deleting a credit memo is something you'll want to do carefully because it can affect your customer balances and your reports. Maybe you created a credit memo by mistake or applied it to the wrong customer, and now you need to remove it completely. I'll walk you through the exact steps, slowly and clearly, so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on the Sales menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to your customers, invoices, payments, and credit memos. Once you're in the Sales area, select All Sales. This gives you a complete list of all sales transactions, including the credit memo you want to remove. Next, you need to locate the specific credit memo you want to delete. If you have a long list of transactions, don't scroll forever. Use the search bar at the top or apply filters such as transaction type, customer name, or date range. Setting the filter to show only credit memos or narrowing the dates to when you know it was created can make it much easier and faster to find. Once you see the credit memo in the list, look to the action column on the right-hand side. Click the Edit option for that exact credit memo. This opens up the full transaction screen so you can review it. Before you delete anything, take a moment to double-check that this is truly the one you want to remove. Make sure the customer, date, and amount all match what you expect. Now, at the bottom of the credit memo screen, find the More option. It's usually a small drop-down near the Save buttons. Click that drop-down and you'll see several actions you can take on this transaction. From that list, choose Delete. QuickBooks doesn't delete it right away. It will first show a confirmation pop-up. This is your final checkpoint. The message will warn you that deleting the credit memo is permanent and will affect your records. If you're absolutely sure this is the correct transaction, go ahead and click Yes in the confirmation window. Once you do that, the credit memo is permanently deleted from your QuickBooks Online file. That's it. You've successfully deleted a credit memo in QuickBooks Online.